Bullish Quantum, QTUM, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $14.45 and $27.29 by 2030. Market experts accept QTUM could reach $11.24 by 2025. Bearish Quantum market cost expectation for 2023 is $2.57. Quantum, QTUM, presentation Quantum, QTUM, is a half-and-half blockchain application stage. It overcomes any issues among Bitcoin and Ethereum by joining their best highlights. Qtum utilizes the UXO model of Bitcoin and the ERC20 token norm of Ethereum. This permits it to run shrewd agreements and decentralized applications, dApps, while as yet handling high volumes of exchanges rapidly. The Qtum group is driven by Patrick Dye, a previous Alibaba leader, and Bruce Fenton, board overseer of the Bitcoin establishment. They have collected a noteworthy group of consultants, including Roger Ver, Anthony D'Iorio, Zhu Star, Misthos Ionu, Kevin Goffman, and Wei Benyuo. The Qtum project has gotten help from a few major names in the crypto space. In WAC 2017, they raised $1 million from Finbushi Capital. In April 2017, they raised $4 million from organizers Asset Angelist, Fangel. Also, in September 2017, they brought $15 million up in an ICO. What makes Qtum one of a kind? The Qtum blockchain has two remarkable advances that expect to address the four issues its originators seen as most dangerous in BTC and ETH blockchain stages: Record Deliberation Layer, UL, and Decentralized Administration Convention, DGP. The Record Reflection Layer, UL, takes into account more noteworthy interoperability between the Qtum blockchain and other blockchains, and between shrewd agreements and genuine applications. This is on the grounds that it successfully makes a span between various blockchains, considering simpler connection. Moreover, UL makes it conceivable to interface shrewd agreements with true applications, which has been challenging to do as of recently. The Decentralized Administration Convention, DGP, resolves the issue of administration in blockchain stages. Under DGP, explicit boundaries of the Qtum blockchain can be altered by any individual who holds QTUM tokens, including things like as far as possible or block size. Significantly, these progressions are made through casting a ballot, guaranteeing that all partners have something to do with how the stage is run. Also, DGP assists with making the Qtum stage more adaptable, as changes can be made rapidly and effectively if necessary. Qtum value history: in May 2017, QTUM was first recorded on trades and was esteemed at $4.65. Until November of that year, the resource exchanged the $10-13 territory. Qtum broke over the $13 hindrance level on December 13 and rose to $62.7 in January 2018. Qtum's ascent compared with the organization's participation at Block Show Asia in November. The QTUM coin was underestimated before this occurrence. From January to WAC 2018, the cost of Qtum kept on rising, arriving at an unsurpassed high of $85.7 in February 2018. Be that as it may, the market before long remedied, and the value tumbled to $4.3 by early September 2018. Qtum started to ascend in esteem in February 2021 and has remained generally stable from that point forward, with a couple of remedies. Quantum is at present worth $3.21 United States dollars. QTUM has moved 4.07% as of now with an exchanging volume of $51,551,901. Quantum is at present positioned 604 among all digital currencies, with a market capitalization of $325,480,624 United States dollars. Using the General Strength Record, RSI, Moving Weighted Normal, MWA, Williams Fractal, and Moving Normal Intermingling Dissimilarity, MACD, from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Quantum, QTUM, to conclude either having a bullish or negative year is going. Cost expectation figures utilize constant Quantum, QTUM, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Quantum, QTUM, Value Forecast 2023. Quantum, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year, QTUM. The QTUM cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $4.82. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $4.50 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible soon given expected joint efforts and headways. Qtum is supposed to have a base worth of $3.85. Qtum, Qtum, value expectation 2024 of every 2024, Qtum Qtum cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Qtum will before long outperform $8.03. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the Qtum's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Qtum will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $6.42 and a typical exchanging cost of $7.06. Qtum, Qtum, value expectation 2025 assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $11.24 and Qtum might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Qtum is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $10.27 and a low of $9.63 in 2025. Qtum, Qtum, value expectation 2026, assuming that Qtum effectively helps market feeling among digital currency fans, the Qtum coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Qtum will be green in 2026. The Qtum is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $14.45, with a base cost of $12.84 and a typical cost of $13.49. Qtum, Qtum, value expectation 2027 after some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Qtum cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $16.70 by 2027, with a base cost of $16.05 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Qtum has a most extreme value worth of $17.66. Qtum, Qtum, value forecast 2028, because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $19.91. In the event that Qtum figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $20.87. Neglecting to accumulate the help Qtum needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $19.27. Qtum, Qtum, value expectation 2029. While Qtum is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $22.48 and a yearly cost close above $20